आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Okay, so hello everyone. Now this question says that which of the following changes decrease the vapor pressure of water kept in a sealed vessel? So let us begin with the solution. First of all, option A is that decreasing the quantity of water. So let me write. So for option A, let's say initially we had a container in which we have filled water, and now we have decreased its quantity. So on decreasing, let me write decrease in quantity of water will not change the vapor pressure. Why is it so? Because vapor pressure is the pressure exerted by the vapor phase. So even if we decrease the quantity of water, the vapor phase will still exist. The water will exist in vapor phase, and therefore the vapor pressure will remain constant. So A option is not correct. Now coming to the B option, so it is adding salt to water. So let us write that. So B option is adding salt to water. So if we add salt to water, let's say this is our container. So what will happen is salt molecules which are non-volatile will occupy the surface area. Therefore, let me write salt molecules will decrease the surface area. And when there is decrease in surface area, there is less water left on the surface. Hence, it will not go into the vapor phase as much as it was going previously. Therefore, the vapor pressure implies vapor pressure will decrease. So from here we can say that adding salt to the water decreases the vapor pressure. That means this is the correct answer. The C option is decreasing the volume of the vessel to 1/2. As we saw just now in the option A, decreasing the quantity doesn't do that. That means it doesn't change the vapor pressure. Similarly, let me draw. Changing the dimensions of the box, that is reducing it to half or doubling it, doesn't do any change either. So this is, let's say, the container. Now we have reduced its size. So let's say initially we had this much water. Now we have the same amount of water. So the vapors going still will be the same. So the vapor phase would exist similarly as it was existing previously in both the cases. Therefore, vapor pressure will not change. Now the last option is decreasing the temperature of water. So let us write this. D option is decreasing temperature of the water. So we know that as we decrease temperature, the kinetic energy of the molecules, decreases. Therefore, if the kinetic energy of molecules decreases, that means they won't go in vapor phase, because we know that vapor phase requires more energy, it has more kinetic energy, whereas in liquid phase the molecules are little tightly packed. When compared to the vapor phase, they are tightly packed, therefore its kinetic energy is less. So that means vapor phase will be less, hence vapor pressure will decrease. That means option D is also correct. So from here we can say that option B and D are correct. So with this we complete our solution. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।